got the attitude and the it factor to make her a photographer's target. But we have to admit we were a bit surprised to hear Glamour Magazine UK has named Kristen Stewart the best dressed woman of 2012. I mean, really? Even she doesn't look excited about it. Between her scruffy tees, sweatshirts, and fondness for skater shoes, off of the red carpet, Kristen doesn't exactly exude the glamour we'd expect from the Best Dressed title holder, especially when the category's runners-up were Harry Potter star Emma Watson and fashion designer Victoria Beckham. Victoria Beckham has built an entire career out of looking stylish, sleek, and sophisticated. The magazine praised Kristen for her transition from awkward teen to style queen. It went on to call her effortlessly on trend. It certainly looks like she doesn't put much effort into it, but we'll give her and Glamour the benefit of the doubt, given some of her recent event appearances, like her choice to wear this lacy blue Stella McCartney dress to the Kids' Choice Awards. Perhaps she's on an upward swing? Now, if only she would add a smile to her ensemble too. Well, that's a start.